Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Bonanza. With you is Oluwa Korewa. Yesterday we had only 17 from our prediction. We had 61, he played 16. We had 86 again, he played single 5. We pray for better luck today. But in case it's the first time you're coming across this channel, well, you want to, or you've been coming here before, this is the best thing for you to do for us to support this channel right now. Like this video and share it. Please like this video and share. If you're new, please subscribe. Please, if I don't get enough likes, I'm just coming back from a 1 week suspension simply because I don't get enough likes. This niche is not what YouTube still likes to promote. So if I don't have enough likes, I won't be able to come back online. And if you like this job I'm doing here, please like this video for me and share it. Plus, this plan I'm about to show you, if you see something different, feel free to say it in the comment section. It's part of engagement. All those things are the things you do to support this channel right now to keep us afloat. That being said, guys, let's go on to a second time working plan on Bonanza's own board for Bonanza. The first time this game is set in here on Bonanza at event 717. 50 to play in center ball winning and 39 will play in center ball machine. The following week expect 72 to play in second ball machine. That is the first time it's setting on its board, and the second time it's setting is right here on board again at event number 889, where 50 play in center ball position and 39 in center ball position as well, winning and machine. The following week expect 72 to play second ball machine. After 72 play in second ball machine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 weeks down, 80 will play second ball winning and 41 will play fourth ball winning. 14 weeks down, after these two numbers maintain position from 72, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 weeks down here, 80 position, 41 position, that is second ball and fourth ball. When these two numbers maintain position again here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 weeks down, 80 would counter from position second ball winning to center ball winning. 14 weeks down, after it maintained position with 41, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 weeks down, expect it to counter to position. Now after this game counter to position, the following week 35 should partner to position. What is the partner of 35? Is 31. 35 in position will partner to position. After 35 partner to position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 weeks down, 31 will move to winning. 24 weeks, and on the board from 31 in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24 weeks down, expect 31 to pull out. 24 weeks down. Second time on the board from 31, 24 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 weeks down. Expect 31 to pull out. After 31 pull out, 68 to play with double 3 pull to pull, and that is 31 in position to supply us with 68, and 80 in position, 80 in position. That counter to position still supply us the same 31. Now, what supplied us 33? The same 80 in position to supply us 33, confirming a 2 direct win here. Now, on this one too, from 31 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31 should come out. After it does, 33, 68, pull to pull. Not just that, it also played with 34 in first ball machine. After 31 pull out, 68, 33, pull to pull. We play with 34 again in winning in machine, first ball machine. Now, after 34 land, the following week it would lap 15. 34, 15 lapping in first ball machine, second time on its own board. After 31 play, 33, 68 pull to pull. 34 should maintain position. The following week it will lap 15. Please guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, please like this video for me, and if you see anything different, please just say it in the comment section. It's part of engagement so that we can keep posting. If we don't have enough engagement, we will not be able to post. The channel is going to restrict us from posting videos. So please like this video for me if you like this plan, and if you see anything, maybe a mistake, or you have another objective about it, please put it in the comment section. It goes a long way for me and this channel. Thank you. So after these two numbers lap, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 50 in position. It started with 50 in position. 3 weeks down, 50 in position should move down to this position. On the current as well, after these two numbers lap, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 50 in position. 50 in position will move back to this position. After 50 in position, move back to position. Carry banker 39. Carry banker 39. Free banker 39. Now, 39 should move. Yeah, if you've been following my channel for some time, or you're on my WhatsApp, I used to preach something about getting to an event and you see a number that plays and repeats. This one played two numbers and both of them repeat, 70 and 55. This method, when we get to an event, we see a number that repeats on this channel. These are our best two. But did you know this game was actually supplied by 41 in position? 41 in position will still supply us that 70 that played and repeat. That is 41 in position. This 41 here in position. And for the double 5 in position, 35 that played and partner immediately. The same 35 that played and partner immediately still supplying us 55. So this displaying on the screen right now is my prediction for Bonanza. I really wish us good luck. But in case you're still on this channel up to now, you have not subscribed, you've not liked this video, you are not helping my channel, please, it's absolutely free. Just click on the like button. Whatever you see in this chat, in this game, you too, you can put it there. It will benefit not just me, it will also benefit other subscribers too that can read from your own comments, and I promise to reply to all the comments you have below this video. So thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck.